Hey, what's up, it's your boy, Frank Dollars, and this is the Frank Dollars reality show, and it's going down. Today I got my guest host, extraordinary producer / artist, president of TREETZ Entertainment. It's going down, and I also got live interview today going down from the boy M.A.Streetz, live from the streets of H-Town. And he's coming to bring his single. And he's coming to bring his single.
I got that H-Town love.
You know, where they sip that syrup at.
Yeah.
Just sipping on that.
Land of the screw.
And swinging and banging. You know what I'm saying?
Candy paint.
Alright, and you know, it's going down today, but we got to get into something that we need to really talk about today. Our reality talk today is coming live from Chicago, where this dude was on there talking today, live streaming on Facebook, and somebody ran up and eventually shot him about 6 or 7 times on camera while he was live streaming.
What was his excuse for being there? What's his excuse for being there?
Man, you know what? If you go looking at the video, matter of fact, let me play the video for everybody. Let me play the video for everybody.
Let me tell you a whole lot about it.
Brian Fields, better known as Sugar Ray, was on Facebook live streaming a trip back to his old neighborhood. And then he notices something out of the corner of his eye. His cell phone falls to the ground but keeps rolling. You hear shot after shot. At one point, the gunman can be seen standing above the camera, firing off multiple rounds.
After seeing that video, it's crazy because it's like, you know, people don't care these days, but that's like Wild Wild West. What they would say that we are in Texas. You see what I'm saying? I think that Chirac thing is actually going to these folks' heads that they really think they're not rapping. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it used to be, I hate to say this on camera, but it used to be an honor amongst gangsters and killers. You know what I'm saying? They used to kill kids. They didn't kill women, they go hit their target.
They had morals.
It used to be a code, but it, you know, even though we're not saying that's cute on camera, but it's just well and alive. This people still out here living games.
At least they had a reason behind it. That seems very unreasonable.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, everything has a reason.
Yeah, everything has a reason too. But if you look at the video, the dude was on there and he was I'm back in my hood, and he looked over his shoulder. Before you know it, he was getting shot right before that. He said, I need to dodge somewhere.
He literally manifested his destiny before the world's eyes.
So my
They couldn't what to say, people.
Why do you do wrong when you get shot? That's
my question is to you, man.
He wasn't being
You
smart.
fresh out of jail. You know you got people in your hood don't like you. You ain't got no gun on you. I'm just saying you ain't got no security with you, nobody. You know you're a target. You go back to your hood anyway because you say, forget it. I don't care. This is my hood.
Or if you're still alive, you're still a target.
I'm saying, what do? You know what I'm saying? You choose to go do that, or you don't put yourself in danger.
Me personally, I don't put myself in that situation, but
Yeah.
That would be the smart thing to do.
Why even, you know what I'm saying? Why even, you know what I'm saying? It ain't funny, but it's like, why even put yourself in that predicament?
That's what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
You need attention that bad.
You know if you're gonna go somewhere,
now you have to lie,
but you might not make it back home.
That's a death feed.
You don't have a gun. You know there's people out there killing, because out there is somebody getting killed every 30 minutes. You feel what I'm
I
saying?
think it's more than that.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm
So
just being Chirac.
I know if you believe in God, you kind of be like, well, God got me, but I don't know how to address this one. You know, let me take this.
God got you, but you got God. You know what I mean? Two-way street. So God got you, but you fucking with the devil.
What if? And my another question is, what could have got this dude shot? Give me some reasons why somebody just run up and
I can't give you a reason why
dead like
he got shot,
that.
but I can give you a reason why other people don't get shot like that.
Well, what I'm saying
That's
is,
smart.
I'm saying a reason of why why this man ran up. Like it's obviously it could have been a gang.
That's what I'm saying.
It could have been a gang member. It could have been a gang retaliation. It could have been a gang with initiation. He could have owed somebody some money. He could have snitched
He could
on
have been in the
somebody.
wrong territory on the
He
wrong
could have
territory.
robbed somebody. It's of numerous things that get you killed instantly.
He could have been flexing.
That make somebody run up and shoot you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 and gone and leave.
That's crazy.
in front of everybody, broad daylight.
I don't even know how many times he
I don't
got
know,
shot.
that's
It's
something.
close to 9, it's not like 9.
That's something, man. I'm about to, let me know what, I'm gonna take this question to the
That's what I'm
streets, you know what
saying,
I'm
dude. You
saying?
don't just randomly shoot somebody 9 times.
Alright, so the main question is for us to
That
take.
is true.
That's some hatred involved there.
Oh, right, you randomly.
And to hate somebody, you
I'm
gotta
gonna
have
tell
a
you,
strong
people
feeling.
randomly get shot. That is a lot.
9 times?
9 times out of 10, it
9
ain't.
times?
It ain't.
Yeah, you shoot somebody 9 times.
That gun was close, homie. That
It's not
shooter was
hard.
not far away. That shooter was not far away. How are you gonna miss 9
Yeah.
times? 8
Yeah.
times?
So I'm saying
Yeah,
like.
the first time.
That's what I'm saying, dude. The camera
Dropped
dropped.
the phone. Yeah.
Exactly.
So what do you think about this then?
That was assassination.
What you call the people that was around there that also had their life in danger? What you call them people snitches if they told the police who did that and they seen who did?
If you got nothing,
There might be people that was there that was right there and know him was like he should have got that.
I mean,
Is they wrong?
Isn't there a code in the hood? Man, your business. Take the fuck out of it. But I mean, I don't know, dude. I really don't know.
But
That's
also,
the hardest.
what about the code of you can't even send your kid outside to play?
Yeah, what about the kid?
What about the code you can't even walk to the store if you don't want to drive your car?
Well, I got a strong
Because you
code
scared they
too
gonna be
that
shooting like
I
they
don't.
did. So what kind of code is that?
I got a strong code too. It's don't voluntarily involve police in your life. So I stay away from that
Yeah.
situation
Yeah.
at all times.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy because
You can't trust that.
stuff happen all the time, but this particular one is a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit different than what.
There's some animosity.
It's live though. That's what makes
You
it
know what I'm
different.
saying?
You
People
see
get
it.
shot 9 times all the time around here.
You
know
hear
what I'm
about the stories, but you don't never get to just